In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Form Ranger and Form Field Range in Google Forms. This tool is incredibly handy for auto-populating your Google Forms with data from a Google spreadsheet, streamlining your data entry process, and saving precious time. First, let's start by accessing Google Drive. Whether you're on a Mac or a PC, open your web browser, type in Google Drive and hit enter. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Next, you'll want to create a new form. Simply locate the New button, usually on the left-hand side, and click it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose Google Forms and then Blank Form. This sets the stage for us to create a new form from scratch. With your new form open, it's time to give it a name. Just click on the Untitled Form field at the top. Writing in a descriptive title helps keep things organized, especially if you manage multiple forms. Next, you'll want to start adding questions to gather your desired data. On the sidebar to the right of the form, click the plus icon and begin typing your questions. Consider the types of responses you want, whether short answers, multiple choice, or checkboxes. Now, let's explore incorporating Form Ranger, which automates data entry using a connected spreadsheet. To do this, click on the three vertical dots in the form's top right corner. Select Get Add-ons. Think of add-ons as extra tools that expand the form's functionality. Once the add-ons menu pops up, find the search bar and type in Form Ranger. When it shows up in the results, click on it and then select Install. You'll probably be asked to sign in or confirm your Google account. Follow the prompts, making sure you consent to any permissions or access requirements. It's a straightforward process, so just follow along, clicking Continue, Next, and Done until the installation finishes. You'll know it's complete when you see Form Ranger in your add-ons menu, accessible via the puzzle piece icon at the form's top right. Now let's put Form Ranger to use. Open the add-ons menu, click on Form Ranger, and then Start. Set up your Form Ranger by choosing the spreadsheet you want to populate your form. This is the key step where the data magic happens. Make sure your Google spreadsheet is organized with the information you want in the form. Define a range name, a label for the set of data you're pulling from to keep your selections organized. Finally, complete the setup, enabling auto repopulate to automatically update form choices based on changes in your spreadsheet. Once everything's configured, any updates you make to the linked spreadsheet will instantly reflect in your form, making it dynamic and responsive to new data. And there you have it, your Google form is now integrated with Form Ranger, allowing for efficient, real-time data updates.